As every summer, the wait is still in favor of romantic comedy Turkish series. The series, which will be screened one by one in June, has already managed to attract attention with their leading roles. Detailed information about this Turkish series that fans are eagerly waiting is as follows. Before we start, please spare 2 more seconds and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon for new video notifications. Number 10. Call My Manager. The Turkish series signed by Yapim, broadcast on Star TV, began to appear on the screen in September. It was decided that the series starring Barış Faleh, Canan Ergüder will continue in the summer. Call My Manager was on the screen on Sundays. Number 9. Accidental Love. The shooting of Star's new Turkish series Accidental Love continues at full speed. In the leading roles, a new promotion was published from Accidental Love featuring Omid and Sode. Accidental Love will meet its audience very soon. In Accidental Love Turkish series, which tells the story of young people whose lives opens a new page after they meet as a result of an accident. Number 8. Troublemaker. ARC Production is the producer of the Turkish series starring Irem and Sejin. The poster shootings of the series, which started shooting last week, were also shot in May. Irem will give life to the character Ipek, a psychologist who disappeared after her child's father was involved in a murder. In this Turkish series, Setkin will portray Shahin, the chief commissioner of the murder bureau. Chief Trouble will tell the fun and exciting story of Ipek, who started working in the police murder office. Number 7. Heartwound. The shooting of the Heartwound Turkish series prepared for ATV screens signed by Baydar Film had recently started. Starring Gökhan Alkan, Yağmur, Marve, the series is filmed in Antakya and meet with its audience on ATV screens. The story of Ferit and Aisha is told in an impressive language in the series, which tells a love story in the middle of the endless conflict between two long-established families of Antakya. Number 6. Love Luck Logic. Ilhan Shin and Burak Yurok in the indigenous adaptation of the South Korean TV drama Cunning Single Lady, Melissa Dongal, Mehmet Korhan, Jaren Kojak play in the romantic comedy series. Leila, who worked as a waitress, had a marriage of logic with engineer Ozan to change her living standards. But she had to end this marriage where she had great difficulties. After her divorce, Ozan opens a software company and becomes very rich. One day, Leila starts to work in this company. Love Luck Logic, all set to release its first episode on June 11. Number 5. You Knock on My Door. Fox Turkish TV series, which started to be screened last summer and continued during the season, took a break in mid-April. The new season presentation of the series, starring Hande Erçel and Kerem Bürsin, was published last week. It was also announced that the series, which started shooting, will be broadcast on Wednesday, June 9. Number 4. The Island Tale. Yapim's new Turkish series Adam Asali, which brings together Ayşe Ayşin Turan and Alp Navroz. The series that will mark the summer with its romantic story is eagerly awaited. Star TV's ambitious production will be on the screen on Tuesday, June 15. Number 3. Glass Ceilings. The Glass Ceilings Turkish series will meet the audience on June 9. The message of the series, which is the ambitious production of Show TV, is great. The series, which is expected to be production that highlights the problems women experience in the workplace, is eagerly awaited. Glass Ceilings starring Benso Sural and Kubile Aka. This series will be told with themes such as revenge, love, and competition. Number 2. Recipe of Love. The broadcast date of Kinaldi's new Turkish series Recipe of Love, which continues to shoot at full speed, has been announced. The series begins its screen journey on Monday, June 7. Recipe of Love brings the love story of a doctor and the chef Firat, a kebab master in his own right, wants to teach his famous life coach Dr. Ash, who plays with his destiny. Number 1. Bhaat Game. Canal D's new Turkish series Bhaat Game, signed by ARC Film, produced and project designed by Fateh Anis, is preparing to create a romantic comedy storm the summer screen. The series will meet the audience on Canal D screen on June 15. The cast of the Turkish series, starring Aytek Sasmaz and Cemre Beysel, Bhaat Game will bring the story of Ada, who believes that if she cannot achieve happiness with her first love, she will be unhappy forever. So guys, don't forget to tell me in the comment section which one of the series will be you see in this summer season. Do tell me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.